Hi friends, this is World in the Cybernet, and today we're covering a very great arsenal I think you should have as a penetration tester or a certified ethical hacker. It's like a mind map or a roadmap to all of your penetration testing activities you do day to day. So this kind of puts you in a safe environment where you don't have to start thinking what's the next tool to use if I'm exploiting, depending on the kind of activity or penetration testing you're running at the moment. This tool has helped you bring different tools together and allow you use the same tool on the same environment to find and gather information or exploit your target. Quickly, let's go through the installation process. Now, this is the quick way to install this tool, and I'll make sure I leave the installation description on the description of this video. So quickly, we're going to copy this, which I already copied. I'd gone through the installation process because of time, because at the point this is going to take a lot of time to install because of the heavy weight of the application. But I'm going to make it very easy for you to understand if you're a newbie who has just joined ethical hacking or started your journey in cybersecurity, how you can have these two installed without error. But should you encounter error while you're trying to install, I would want you to use the comment section to drop your complaint, and I'll do the best diligence to come and respond, and together we can solve that error problem from your operating system. But please, this is strictly for your Kali operating system. So let's go to my terminal right now. Yeah, on my terminal, all I need to do is I need to paste the command, and I send it. Now, because I already have it, it's already existing, so I don't have to install it. But let me quickly explain the next phase of this after you've installed by copying this clone or cloning this repository from GitHub. The next thing you want to do is cd into the directory that has been installed when you cloned the GitHub repository. So let's try to figure that out. Okay, so let's do cd alex. So there's a directory like that with ls to c. Now you are supposed to this is the installation guide, and you're supposed to just click the use bash to do this installation.sh. But if you run it directly as from this place from your user account, you're going to get some errors. So I prefer you run it as sudo. I prefer you run it as sudo and input your password. Yeah, I'm now a sudo user. But let me go back to the node and explain better. So if you've done your cloning correctly and it shows you 100%, you see the into Alex and ls to see all of the directories that are in this Alex directory. Now, like I said, switch to the root user to use this tool or to be able to download the installation.sh file. So when you switch to the root user, just run this command bash space install.sh. This will take almost 10 to 15 minutes depending on your network and how fast your operating system is during installation. Now, after you're done installing that and you didn't get any form of error and you get 100% complete, while you're installing it to ask you a few questions like, do you want to continue? Click yes and stuffs like that. I think you should go through the installation process. And if you're done, all you need to do is run this command from your root terminal. Now let's run the command from our root terminal and see if we prefer to start using a tool like this. Yeah, this is the tool. So if you're doing information gathering, now this tool has gathered all of the tools inside this particular framework for you to be able to use from here. You don't even need to leave the environment to get the job done. Now let's check. Let's say you want to gather information and you click one. Now it has listed there's nmap, there's port scanning, there's host to IP, there's WordPress, there's SSS Stride. There are a lot of tools to gather information. Now you're gathering information about your targets. Now to come out of it, this is very easy to use because it's easy. You're communicating with the terminal. If you want to go back to the main menu, all you need to do is click 99 and you go back to the menu. And if you want to exit, you also click from this point. If you click 99, you want to exit. Now let's say you want to check post exploitation tools, you can click on 8 to get the list of the post exploitation tools. Now let's go back to exploring other tools like the web tools. Let's click on 6 to check the web tools. Now this is awesome. There's shell and directory finder, that's great. There's Bluetext. There are a lot of awesome tools you would want to use from these particular drop downs. So let's explore more. There's a tool, there are wireless testing tools. Let's check number 3 for wireless testing. So we'll have, there's PyFisher, there's SMPT mailer. Guys, would you want to use this tool to as an arsenal for your penetration testing or ethical hacking process? I want you to drop that in the comment section. And if there's any other tool you want us to cover, or would you want us to cover other attack systems and vectors, do well to drop it at the comment section. We'll do you the diligence to fix that.